He has the.
Got Benji out here. We testing and tuning. Omar. You know how we go. Yeah, but I bet you travel like an hour and a half to come over here all the time. Alright, y'all, stay tuned. CT boys come out. Got Omar out here testing. Ooh, yeah, that's a nice hit right there. That was a nice hit, Omar. Nice hit. So Omar, what he gonna do is he gonna run the same one. He just gonna put the boost rear arm. This is a Torment build he building right here. Let me see. Let me show the people this thing. Look at that thing. Gonna get some rear arms because it's an ECX Torment, and he gonna make it shorter so the tires go in. But this his build. This my boy Bill right there. Yeah, nice. Whew. I wouldn't hit it off the line right there.
Let me
What you need, Benji?
your Phillips screwdriver. The one that I brought back to you.
Okay, Omar. I see you, player. I see you, player. Two-0 at 258 miles an hour.
Really? Yo.
Don't believe the mileage.
It's now run for 1 month. maybe. So, you would?
Ready on y'all. See you, player. 2-0. That one of the beams for the back right is off because he keep getting 297 miles. Oh no, Omar. Ain't no get the reading. I went back. Racers, are you ready? Benji in the left lane, Omar in the right lane. Nah, that was a race right there. That was a race. That was a race. Good race, fellas. Good race.
Oh, shit.
A nice save, Benji. What happened, Omar?
Yep, battery.
For real? Omar testing him. Benji must have crashed 3 times already.
Dude, bitch jump.
I should have my damn top on, but it's alright. Too much power for Omar. Come on, Omar. Talk to me. Talk to me. Poquito. Two-0. Tuning this thing. Omar trying to get. We listening right now. Let me see the numbers.
Topping out.
It's topping out.
203.
Nice let off. Nice let off.
Me too. That wall.
Yo, Omar got me, son. Yo. Yo, okay.
Este no cogió completo. Entonces,
Nader. Benji got that Apex he been working on. Ah man, Omar car going nice and straight. You need to turn that shit down, Benji. Oh, you smell that tire. Yeah, Omar. Oh, no. Oh, no. Hold that. Yeah. Hold it down, baby. Yeah, hit that.
Is that flip?
Okay, Omar, ready? Turned it down too much. He getting me. See the difference?
1.8.
oh shit! Nah.
I laid that power down that time.
Yeah.
Yeah. One more door?
Ah, one more.
This one for the road, y'all.